Okay, wanted to go over a couple quick things about the course. First of all, over on the left-hand side of your screen is a very important bar. That's what contains all the different links to the modules. You've already found the Start Here one, obviously, to get to this video. The content right now just contains syllabus, explanations on how to get your exams proctored, and a few different sources of help here. Supplemental instruction is classes that are kind of held as a review class if you want that in-person kind of thing, often in the evenings. Advanced Academic Center is free tutoring for those of you who live near Athens. I know that some of you don't live near Athens. Khan Academy has a set of structured free video tutorials, and Patrick JMT is a similar thing with just the video tutorials, not exercises. My email address you should be familiar with to let me know whenever you have questions. As modules are available, they'll show up right here. Notice that right now only week 1 is showing up. Typically I'll release each module the Sunday when it opens, and I realize that prevents you from working ahead more than a week. The reason is because past experience has shown that it's better to be in a regular habit of doing the statistics every week, not getting too far behind and also not getting too far ahead, because then you have a gap in between when you're actually doing the learning. When you're looking through a module, you'll want to do every item on the list. The learning objectives, there's nothing you actually have to do, but it's helpful for you to see what you'll be learning in that week. The reading, this is something that's going to be very, very tempting for you to skip over or not do at all. And I can assure you that the time you put into this reading will be well worth it, both in terms of your grade in this course, but more importantly for you really understanding the statistics in a way that will allow you to use it later in life in other classwork, in your careers. Anyway, please read. I strongly recommend that you read it actively. Ask yourself questions as you're reading it. Read it with a pen and paper beside you so you can work out problems and make sure you understand. And email me when you have questions about the reading. And then the Wiley Plus, typically you'll just have a quick link and it'll tell you which sections to do. Although if you log into Wiley Plus, it should be arranged so that you can see which sections you need to do by a given due date. One thing I will advise on clicking on any links, but especially the Wiley Plus, notice that if I would left click on this or just click on a Mac, it would open up the Wiley Plus within Blackboard, which can cause problems, and you also can't go back and forth between the two then. So I would suggest right clicking like I just did, or control click if you're using a Mac, and then going up to open link in new tab is what I typically prefer, and then that should get you in right there. Okay, I think that should be everything for getting you started. Accessibility is down here. If you do have issues with reading the text or test taking accommodations, all of that, please make sure that you talk with me and register through accessibility services so that we can get you everything that you need right there. Your grades, as they become available, will be here in the tools, although that won't update automatically with the Wiley, so typically I'll do that right around each exam time.